Hello everyone, I'm back with another exciting video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a ChatGPT account. So firstly you have to go to any browser. I am using Google Chrome, so that's why I'm doing it from Google Chrome. So then search here ChatGPT. Okay, then you will get a website called OpenAI.com. Click on here. Okay, after coming to openai.com, you will see an interface like this. Then click on try ChatGPT. Okay, here you will see called chat.openai.com. Okay, welcome to ChatGPT. Okay, if you have account, you can click on login. If you don't have account, you have to create. So for that, you have to click on sign up. Okay, then provide your email address, or you can create account by using your email address as well. So I'm going to create the account with my Google account. So I'll click on open with Google, then click on my email address, select my email address. Okay, then it is redirecting to the page. Okay, so they're sending a, then tell us about you. What's your name? For me, my name is Sajjad Hussain. Okay, then press continue. Okay, then give verify by your phone number. Then you have to give your mobile number. So my mobile number is, okay, then they will send you a code in your mobile number. You have to provide the code here. So the code is 754552. Okay, the phone number has been verified. Okay, so our ChatGPT account has been created. So now you can use ChatGPT. So now you can ask anything to ChatGPT, they will ask you. So if I ask, tell me about Messi. Okay, then press send. Okay, they're sending that little message. Argentine professional soccer player. Okay, who plays for a forward for Paris Saint-Germain or Argentine national team. So you can ask anything to ChatGPT. So if you don't know that it is not sending by any human being, it is this OpenAI has been made by the artificial intelligence. So you can ask anything him, and you can use the ChatGPT as well. Please try this out. So thanks for watching.